So guys, at last I completed my module and I uploaded it on PyPy. Okay, so this is the module description that you can see. There is, I just write on the instruction, installation process, how it works, and vagera vagera, license, and you can see that the author is me, that is Sudip Bera. Okay, and also you can copy this pip install bonggoQuery, and you can write here on your command prompt and you can install it. So installation process is too much easy. After installing, you can use it like that. I'm using it Python, and after that I'm importing bongo sorry QUERY bonggoQuery. Okay, it's importing. Now I can make it like I can print the data. So that is bongo QUERY bonggoQuery dot QUERY query dot normal underscore QUERY dot SPEAKING speaking. So I think I'll give here two number, that is, sorry, I will giving there to 5 squared SQU. Okay, not a problem. I'll give him 5 plus 5, 5 plus 10. Okay, oops, sorry. mm, 5 plus 10. After that I'm closing the brackets and you can get the result here,
15.
so it's saying 15 and it's giving the result 15. Okay, but if I change the speaking module to the printing function, sorry, here I n ting printing function, then it will only print the data. So that is 15. So this is my new module that I made. So thanks a lot.